The Hope Estate Phase 1 and Phase 2 and Hope Lowlands will see a number of developments in the near future. This was disclosed by Minister of Local Government and Regional Development Nigel Dharamlal during two meetings held with the residents in the areas on Wednesday. Many of the residents raised issues concerning the deplorable state of the roads and bridges, the lack of employment opportunities, and issues relating to house lots, among others. In addressing the need for more job-related opportunities, the minister committed to introducing the Community Enhancement Workers Program there. The minister said 11 persons will be selected from the Hope Estate Phase 1 and Phase 2 to aid in properly maintaining and enhancing their communities. Similarly, in Hope Lowland, Minister Dharamlal committed to the same opportunity for 8 persons. In all three areas, a list will be submitted by the community members to take on these roles. The community enhancement workers will each receive a monthly stipend of $35,000, and each team leader will receive a stipend of $70,000. In addition, the minister committed to repairing at least one of the two main access bridges in Hope Phase 1 and Phase 2, since residents raised concerns about their state. Also, 10 persons will be given the employment opportunity to rebuild the bridge, thus creating employment for residents.
So at least you get the employment and the money stays within the community.
With issues relating to the state of the roads, Minister Dharamlal said measurements and costing assessments will be done to determine the position and the next step in developing these roads.
Before the end of next week, we can do an assessment of all the streets and an estimate on what we could afford to start doing immediately, both here and in Phase 2.
Minister Dharamlal reassured the residents that the Central Housing and Planning Authority will be in the community to deal with their housing concerns.
The Ministry of Housing, their surveyors will come before the end of next week to start doing some work here so we could get this regularization going.
12 street lights will also be delivered to the communities, where residents will decide among themselves how they will be distributed based upon their needs.